Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best portable refrigerator for your car, the Wagon EL6214 Personal Thermoelectric Cooler and Warmer. If you're constantly on the road, planning a camping trip, or just want to keep your lunch warm or drinks cold during a commute, this compact 12 volts fridge might be your new best friend. Let's start with the basics. The Wagon EL6214 is a 14-liter thermoelectric cooler and warmer. It runs on 12 volts or 24 volts DC, meaning it plugs right into your car's cigarette lighter socket and works seamlessly in cars, trucks, or RVs. No messy ice, no soggy snacks. Just plug it in, set your mode, and you're good to go. This unit isn't just about cooling. It also has a warming function. With a simple switch on the front, you can toggle between cold, hot, or off modes. The indicator lights let you know instantly which mode you're in. It can cool contents down to 32 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature, and warm up to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. More than enough to keep your soup or leftovers piping hot. The cooler fits up to 12 soda cans, and it can even accommodate standard-sized water bottles. There's room for sandwiches, yogurt, fruits, pretty much everything you'd need for a short trip or a long drive. The unit is designed to fit in the front center console or back seat area, and it's surprisingly compact given its 14-liter capacity. In terms of portability, Wagon has really nailed it. It comes with a built-in shoulder strap and a 6-foot power cord, so reaching the backseat or transferring the unit from your car to a picnic table is super easy. It's lightweight, sleek, and built for convenience on the go. It's also all listed, meaning it meets safety standards you can rely on. And if you want to use this in a hotel room or at your desk, there's an optional AC adapter available separately. Just grab item number 9903, and your car cooler turns into a mini fridge for indoors too. Pack your own fresh meals, keep them warm while you drive, and enjoy lunch wherever you park. Or you're driving back from the store with frozen groceries on a hot day. The Wagon EL6214 makes sure they don't melt before you get home. It's quiet, efficient, and requires zero maintenance. For commuters, delivery drivers, campers, or even students on the go, this thing just makes sense. So there you have it, a smart, compact solution for anyone looking to keep things cool or warm on the move. The Wagon EL6214 is affordable, reliable, and incredibly convenient. No wonder it's considered the best portable refrigerator for your car. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep your snacks fresh and your road trips epic.